Hi everyone, I want to unbox with you Tosca Monopart by Wille from the Stimulate collection in the color Dark Plum Mix. If you're wondering what I'm wearing Dua Mono, also by Wille from the Modix collection in the gorgeous color Firestorm Mix. Both are available from Aderans Trendco, and I will put the link down below for both in the description. And if you use my code K20, you will get an amazing 20% off site-wide. So this is about Tosca. Let's have a look at Tosca. I have tried Tosca before, but not in this color. So let's have a look at this dark plum. Ooh, and it is definitely a dark plum color. So Tosca is made with heat-friendly fibers. Let's look at the cap construction. We have a monopart, which is a center monopart. You can part it slightly off center if you wanted to. And then you have an extended lace front, open wefts, sides and back, a little bit of stretch in this cap. Let's look at this color. Ooh, this is gorgeous. This is a really gorgeous color. We show them both again. So this is Firestorm Mix and this is Dark Plum Mix. Gorgeous. It is a longer bob. Right, 4 fingers, yep. And as I said, with heat-friendly fibers. Wow, this is a gorgeous. This is absolutely stunning. Let's look at the lace front. For a darker color, I think this is really quite well done. Wow. Tosca is such a lovely long bob. So let me show you Tosca from all sides. Low density, no permatease, lightweight, heat-friendly fibers. This is absolutely gorgeous. So Tosca is available from Aderans Trendco, and this is from the Stimulate collection, European collection. So if you're not in Europe, you still can get your hands on this because Aderans does ship worldwide. So I put the link down below in the description box and use code K20 for an amazing 20% off. This is a gorgeous piece. So tell me what you think of Tosca and of the color Dark Plum Mix down below in the comments. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.